Are you always on the run and looking for quick and easy meals to whip up? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore the world of culinary convenience with 8 easy-to-make meals that are as delicious as they are quick to prepare. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a complete beginner, these recipes are sure to save you time and satisfy your taste buds. So, let's not waste any more time. Stay tuned as we dive into our first quick and easy meal. Our first recipe is a quick chicken stir-fry. This dish is a whirlwind of flavors, combining juicy chicken with a variety of crisp, colorful vegetables. To kick things off, you'll need some boneless chicken pieces, a medley of your favorite vegetables. Think bell peppers, carrots, and snow peas, and some soy sauce for that classic stir-fry flavor. Start by heating a dash of oil in a pan, then add your chicken, cooking until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Once that's done, set the chicken aside and in the same pan, toss in your veggies. Sauté them until they are just tender yet still crisp. Now it's time to bring everything together. Return the chicken to the pan, drizzle in your soy sauce, and give it all a good stir. Let it sizzle for a couple of minutes and voila! Your quick chicken stir-fry is ready to hit the plate. And there you have it, a delicious quick chicken stir-fry. Next up, we have an Italian classic, pasta aglio e olio. This simple yet flavorful dish requires just a handful of ingredients. You'll need some pasta of your choice, fresh garlic, good quality olive oil, red pepper flakes, and some parsley to garnish. Let's start by cooking your pasta in a pot of salted boiling water. While the pasta is cooking, take a pan and heat some olive oil. Add thinly sliced garlic and sauté until it's just golden. Sprinkle in some red pepper flakes for that spicy kick. Don't forget to save some of the pasta water, it's going to help create a luscious sauce. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the pan with garlic and oil. Toss everything together, adding some of that starchy pasta water. Finish it off with a sprinkle of finely chopped parsley. Voila! An easy and tasty pasta aglio e olio. How about breakfast? Here's a recipe for simple pancakes. Now, pancakes are an all-time favorite, and making them is as easy as 1, 2, 3. For this, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of milk. And of course, don't forget the butter for frying. Start by mixing the dry ingredients together in a large bowl. Then, in a separate bowl, beat the eggs and milk together. Gradually add this mixture to your dry ingredients, stirring until you have a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and melt a knob of butter. Pour in a ladle full of batter and cook until bubbles form on the surface. Flip it over and cook for another minute or so until golden. Repeat until your batter is finished. And just like that, you've made simple pancakes. For a healthier option, let's try a Speedy egg salad. Now, this is a dish that's perfect for those on-the-go days when you need something quick yet nutritious. Our main ingredient, of course, is eggs, the source of high-quality protein and vitamins. But we're not stopping there. We're adding a dollop of creamy mayonnaise and a hint of mustard to give our salad that tangy kick it needs. To prepare, we'll start by hard-boiling our eggs. Once done, we'll peel them and chop them into small bite-sized pieces. Then we'll add our mayonnaise and mustard, giving it a good mix until everything is well combined. You can also add a sprinkle of salt and pepper to taste. And just like that, within minutes, you've got yourself a wholesome, protein-packed egg salad. Feel free to get creative with your add-ins. Maybe some chopped celery for crunch or a sprinkle of paprika for a touch of heat. There you have it, a nutritious and quick egg salad. Craving for some pizza? Here's a recipe for quick pizza toast. All you need is some bread, any kind that you fancy, pizza sauce, your favorite cheese, and any other toppings that tickle your taste buds. Let's get started. First, take your bread and spread a generous amount of pizza sauce on it. Make sure every corner is covered. Now, it's time for the cheese. Sprinkle it on top of the sauce. The more, the merrier, right? If you're feeling a little adventurous, this is the time to add your chosen toppings. Next, it's time to toast. Pop your bread into the oven or toaster oven and let the magic happen. Keep a close eye on it. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and the bread crispy, but not burnt. And voila! In just a few minutes, you've got yourself a quick pizza toast. Satisfying, isn't it? And that's how you make quick pizza toast. For our last recipe, we have the classic tuna melt. This delightful dish is a perfect blend of comfort and simplicity. ready to win you over with its savory appeal. What you'll need for this recipe are the following ingredients: a can of tuna, some good quality cheddar cheese, your choice of bread, a dab of mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of black pepper. To start, let's drain the canned tuna and mix it with mayonnaise. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Next, take your bread and generously spread the tuna mixture over one side. Layer it with slices of cheddar cheese and cover it with another piece of bread. Now it's time to toast the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is gorgeously melted. You can use a sandwich press or a skillet for this. Voila! An easy and tasty tuna melt. This dish is sure to satisfy your craving for something warm, cheesy, and utterly delicious. And there you have it, 6 quick and easy meals you can make in no time. From a delightful chicken stir-fry to a comforting tuna melt, these recipes are your ticket to hassle-free, delicious meals. Remember, the beauty of these dishes lies not just in their taste, but also in the convenience they bring to your busy schedule. So why not give them a try? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy recipes and press the like button if you found this video helpful. Happy cooking!